Hi student, this is Sivakumar. 10th standard mathematics, chapter number 8, continuation of exercise 8.2. Now problem number 9. The temperature of two cities A and B in a winter season are given below. You are asked to find out which city is more consistent in temperature changes. Whenever the word you are given that consistent, you can go for the coefficient of variation. For the city A and city B, you have to find out the CV, coefficient of variation, separately. Right? Okay, this question number 9. For city A, first I calculate x bar formula, you know that sigma xi divided by n. Add all the values 18 plus 20 plus 22 plus 24 plus 26 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals 6 plus 4, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 8, that is 20, balance 2, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11, divided by 5. That is equal to 22. That is the value of x bar. Now we can find out that standard deviation xi di, that is equal to xi minus x bar and di square. The 5 values are 18, 20, 22, 24 and 26. Now di, that is equal to xi minus x bar. X bar we know that 22. 18 minus 22 can directly write, that is minus 4. 20 minus 22, that is equal to minus 2. 22 minus 22, that is equal to 0. 24 minus 22, that is equal to 2. 26 minus 22, that is equal to 4. Right? Minus 4 whole square is 16, minus 2 whole square is 4, 0 square is 0, 2 square is 4 and 4 square is 16. Then you have to add sigma di and sigma di square. 4 plus 2, 6, minus 4 minus 2 minus 6, 6 minus 6, that is equal to 0. 16 plus 4, 20, here also 20, 20 plus 20, that is equal to 40. Now CV for city A. Formula, you know that sigma divided by x bar into 100. Before that you have to calculate sigma. Strike out that one. After that you can write that. We can calculate sigma, standard deviation. Standard deviation sigma formula, square root of sigma di square divided by n minus sigma di by n the whole square equals sigma di square value, here it is, that is 40. N value 5. 40 divided by 5 minus sigma di value is 0. 0 by anything is 0, 0 square is 0. That is equal to 40 divided by 5, that is equal to 8. We have to find out the square root of 8. I do it here. 8 you can write 8.0000, n number of zeros can be added. Now for 8 can go 2 only, 3 3s are 9, we have 8, so can take 2 only, 2 2s are 4, then subtract 4, then bring down 2 digits, 00, with the decimal point over here, 2 should be multiplied by 2, 2 2s are 4, we can take 3 only, here 3, so you can take 8 times, sorry, see, here also 8, 8 8s are 64, balance 6, 8 4s are 32 plus 6, that is equal to 38, so nearer to 400. If we take 9, here also have to put 9, 9 into 49 will be exceeding 400, so only 8, then have to subtract 10 minus 4, that is equal to 6, 9 will be there, 9 minus 8 is 1, that's all. Here 3 minus 3 equal to 0, then bring down 2 more digits, that is 00, multiply 28 by 2, that is equal to 56. How many times? Here we can go up to 2 times only, here also 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, balance 1, 2 5s are 10 plus 1 is 11. Subtract 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 2 equals 7, 5 will be there, 5 minus 1 equals 4, okay, 1 minus 1 0. Then 2 more zeros, 282 should be multiplied by 2. If you multiply 564, how many times approximately? 8 times. Here also 8 times. 8 8s are 64, balance 6. 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 6 38, balance 3. 8 6 are 48, 48 plus 3 51, balance 5. 8 5s are 40 plus 5 45. Subtract 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 8 1, 5 will be there, 5 minus 1 is 4, here 7 minus 5 is 2. Enough? That is equal to 2.828 approximately. Now we can find the coefficient of variation. CV for city A. Formula sigma divided by x bar into 100. Sigma we got it, that is 2.828. X bar we have, that is equal to 22 into 100 percentage equals 2.828 into 100, you know that 282.8 divided by 22 percentage equals, we can divide here 282.8 divided by 22. 1 time 122 22, balance 6, 2 here 3 times, sorry, only 2 times, 2 into 22 44. So balance 18, then bring down that 8. So have to keep the decimal point over here. Approximately 8 times 8 2s are 16, 8 2s are 16 plus 2 plus 1 17. Subtract 1 1. Enough? 12.8 percentage. The same procedure to be followed for that city B also. For city B. For city B. Now we can calculate. Have to calculate x bar, that is equal to formula sigma xi by n. For the city B, the value is given 11, 14, 15, 17, 18. 11, 14, 15, 17 and 18. Here also 5 values are there, divided by 5. 8 plus 7 15 plus 5 20, 24 plus 1 25, balance 2, 3 4 5 6 7. 75 divided by 15, that is equal to 15. That is the value of x bar. Now we can find out that standard deviation. A standard deviation xi di, that is equal to xi minus x bar di square. Xi, the 5 values 11, 14, 15, 17, 18. 11, 14, 15, 17 and 18. Now xi minus x bar we got it, that is 15. 11 minus 15, 11 minus 15, that is equal to minus 4. 14 minus 15, that is equal to minus 1. 15 minus 15, 0. 17 minus 15 is 2. 18 minus 15 is 3. Now sigma di equals 3 plus 2 5, minus 4 minus 1 minus 5, minus 5 plus 5 is 0. di square means di values here, minus 4 square is 16, minus 1 square is 1, 0 square is 0, 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. Now sigma di square equals 9 plus 4 13 plus 1 14 plus 16, that is equal to 30. Right? Now we can calculate that standard deviation. Standard deviation sigma, that is equal to square root of sigma di squared by n minus sigma di by n the whole square. Square root of sigma di square value is 30, n 5 minus sigma di value is 0, 0 by anything is 0, square is 0. That is equal to, you know that 5 table, how many times? 6 times 6. We have to find out the square root of 6. 6 you can write 6.0000, n number of zeros can be taken. Since we have 6 in the integral part, we can take only 2. 2 2s are 4. 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2. Then you have to bring down 2 digits, 00. But there is one point here. 2 should be multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4. We can take here 5. 3. Here can take 4. 4 here also 4. 4 4s are 16. Balance 1. 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. Nearer to 200. No chance of taking 5. If we take 5, here also you have to take 5. 45 into 5, that is equal to 225. That will be exceeding 200. Right? Now subtract, that is equal to 24. Then bring down next 2 digits, 00. Now 24 should be considered as 24. 24 into 2, that is equal to 56, 48. 24 into 2, 48. Here how many times? Again 4 times only. 4 times. 4 4s are 16. 4 8s are 32 plus 1, 33. Balance 3. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3, that is 19. Subtract 10 minus 6, that is equal to 4. 9 minus 3, that is equal to 6. Here 13 minus 9, that is equal to 4. That's all. 1 minus 1, 0. Then bring down 2 more zeros. Multiply 244 by 2, that is equal to 488. Here we can go up to 9 times. 9 into 4, 889. That is equal to 9 9s are 81. Balance 8. 9 8s are 72 plus 8. 80. Balance 8. 9 8s are 72 plus 8. 80. Balance 8. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 8, that is equal to 44. 36 plus 8. 44. Subtract 10 minus 1, that is 9. 9 minus 0, 9. Here 3 will be there. 3 minus 0 is 3. 6 minus 4 equals to 2399. So 2.449, that is the approximate value. Now we can find out that coefficient of variation, CV for city B. Formula sigma by x bar into 100. Sigma value here it is. This is a standard deviation. 2.449 divided by x bar. X bar, that is equal to 15. Here it is. Into 100 percentage. Here also percentage. 2.449 into 100 equals 244.9 divided by 15. That is equal to 244.9 divided by 15 percentage. Now you have to divide. I do the calculation here. 244.9 by 15. One time. Balance 9. 4. 6 times 90. Balance 4. Then 9. Bring down 9 here. Point 49. That's 3 times 3 into 15, that is equal to 45. Balance 4. 0. Only 2 times 2 into 15, that is equal to 30. 10. Enough. That is equal to 16.32 percentage approximately. For city A, 12.8 percentage, and here we have 16.32 percentage. Which one is less? 12.8 is less. So city A is more consistent than city B. Final result, since CV for city A is less than coefficient of variation for city B, city A is more consistent in temperature than city B. That's all. Problem number, even you can write the reason. This is the reason actually. A less CV is always more consistent. For your reference, I write here, note, less CV is always more consistent. So problem number 9 is completed. Exercise 8.2 is over.